This is the easiest and quickest way to put text behind a subject in Premiere. I promise you that it's going to take you less than a minute with the brand new object masking feature. Let's go. First things first, we're going to duplicate our clip by holding Alt or Option and then dragging it up 2 tracks. Then we're going to hide this clip by hitting E on our keyboard to disable it. Now we're going to select the top clip and we're going to make sure that opacity is selected in the effect controls. And now that we're here at opacity, you'll see that the opacity effect no longer shows the regular masking tools. They have changed and they have been relocated, and we can now find them right here in the toolbar. Let's select the object mask tool and then make sure that the transform button right here is disabled. As we hover over the video, you can now see that Premiere has automatically identified all the different objects within our video. So all we have to do is click on the one that we want to select, and then it'll create a mask around it. As you can see, now the background has completely disappeared. We only see our object or our subject. And if that didn't happen to you, it's probably because you weren't paying attention, because you didn't select the opacity effect first. Let's rewind. And we're going to make sure that opacity is selected in the effect controls. And now we're back. Check if the mask is under the opacity effect or under unassigned masks. If it is under unassigned masks, simply just drag and drop the mask to the opacity effect, or right click and then click on change to opacity mask. Right now, we have only created a mask for this specific frame. In order to have a mask follow us or our subject, we need to track it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this button that says track backwards and forwards. This button is new and it is my favorite because it'll only take a couple seconds and it'll track both ways. Let's scrub through the clip to see if it has perfectly tracked it, and of course it has. All right, let's unhide the clip on V1 by selecting it and then pressing E again on our keyboard. Now everything looks back to normal, so let's add some magic, shall we? Hit T on your keyboard to get the text tool, then just click anywhere on the program monitor and type in your text. Take some time to stylize your text, and if you always use the same font for your videos, I have a golden tip for you. Watch this. Go to Settings and then Graphics and change the default subtitle and text font and missing font replacement to your favorite font. Now you will never have to change your font again, the more you know. Now, after we're done stylizing our text, let's drag that text layer underneath our masked out clip, and just like that, the text now appears behind the object or subject in this case. Come on. The next thing you should learn is how this new masking system actually works in Premiere. Once you understand that, effects like this become ridiculously easy. So watch this video next, and of course, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Oh my God.